topic is risk factor associated with development of pancreatic cancer. Okay, so in which there is main there is environmental risk factor, hereditary risk factor. So one table given based on hereditary risk factor. Okay, so we'll understand in detail because most of the question frame from this topic. Okay, so first one is familial pancreatitis. Okay, so familial pancreatitis associated with PRSS1 gene, MCQ. Okay, and there is a 40% of lifetime risk of pancreatic adenocarcinoma. PDAC is pancreatic adenocarcinoma. Okay, so F for 40. Okay, whenever is F, it will either 4 or 40. Okay, so and the gene is PRSS1. Okay, 40%. Next is Peutz-Jeghers syndrome. Okay, so Peutz-Jeghers syndrome, the gene is STK11. How you can remember? P, the next letter, next alphabet is S, J का next alphabet is K, S का next alphabet is T. So T, so STK11. Okay, and there is S say 100. 100 means 100 times. So more than 100-fold increase of pancreatic adenocarcinoma. So this is highest risk for development of a pancreatic adenocarcinoma with any syndrome. So this is MCQ, highest risk. Okay. Okay. Next one is familial atypical mole and multiple melanoma syndrome. So familial 4, so 40 times. Okay. And the gene is also MCQ. So it's a CDKN2A. So CDK, but you have to remember it's 2A. Okay, so CDKN2A. Okay, okay. Next is cystic fibrosis. Gene is CFTR, very well known gene. Okay, and it's C, so 30 times. Okay, okay. Next is BRCA2. So it's BRCA2. Remember, it's 2, not 1. Okay, so associated with breast and ovarian cancer, and the risk is 10-fold. Okay, just know this fact, not that important. Okay, that next is Lynch syndrome associated with MLH1 gene. Okay, so and this there is 8-fold increase in pancreatic adenocarcinoma, and the last one is familial adenomatosis polyposis, and the gene is APC gene, and since 4, so 4 times increase. Okay, so highest risk is Peutz-Jeghers syndrome, least with APC, and in between is Lynch syndrome. So these 3 they will ask. Okay, so Peutz-Jeghers highest, least is APC, and means familial adenomatosis polyposis, FAD 4 times. Okay, and the Lynch is 8 times. Okay, okay. So we'll see the bit of the theory, anything important. So risk factor, environmental risk factor, mainly the smoking, most important risk factor. Okay, this is they ask. Okay, so they ask pack year. So pack year means pack and year. So how many packs per day, and then number of year of smoking. Okay, they ask this definition, pack year. Okay, and the risk factor even persist beyond smoking cessation. Okay, then chronic pancreatitis also is a risk factor. Obesity. Okay, then diabetes, mainly the new onset diabetes in elderly patient with no family history, and the low body mass and weight loss history is there. Okay, so these are the risk factor in diabetes. Okay, and diagnosis of diabetes preceded diagnosis of pancreatic cancer by 36 months, means 3 years before diabetes develop, before developing a pancreatic cancer. Okay, so diabetes developed 3 years before. Okay, okay, okay. Then hereditary we already discussed. Okay, hereditary pancreatic cystic fibromatosis, cystic fibrosis, genetic syndrome responsible for 20% cases, and then familial pancreatic cancer. So familial pancreatic cancer means inherited predisposition who do not have identifiable genetic syndrome. Okay, okay. Next we have discussed hereditary pancreatitis. Okay, so most common gene is PRSS1, but SPINK gene is also important, but the most common is PRSS1 gene. Okay, okay, and PRSS gene is almost 50%. So P for 50. You can remember hereditary means half means 50%. Okay, Okay. Then familial pancreatic cancer. Okay. So who comes under familial pancreatic cancer? So family with two or more first degree relative with pancreatic cancer and in which there is no other inherited tumor syndrome is identified. So important word is two or more first degree relative. Okay. Okay, almost 18-fold increase risk, that is 40% or 18-fold or 20-fold, you can remember. Okay, so let's see what given in Bailey extra point. So Bailey has given one table, important table. Okay, so we'll see this table. So age around mainly the 65 to 75 years of age, male, black population. Okay, then cigarette smoking, family history. Okay, then two first degree relative with pancreatic cancer, that is familial pancreatic cancer. Okay, then BRCA2 already told you, hereditary pancreatitis, hereditary half 50%, 50 times. Okay, okay, then chronic pancreatitis, it's a 5 to 15 fold increase. Okay, Lynch syndrome 8 times, ataxia telangiectasia, Peutz-Jeghers syndrome 100 times, familial breast ovarian cancer syndrome, so it's already BRCA2. Then familial atypical multiple mole melanoma syndrome, it's 40 times. Okay, then familial adenomatosis polyposis 4 times. Okay, and then diabetes mellitus, mainly the new onset diabetes and obesity. Okay, so this much you should know the regarding the risk factor of pancreatic adenocarcinoma, important. Okay, okay, thank you. This table is very important.